Three, three. Checking. Just fucking checking. All right. Pa, 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 pa. Woo! What's up, everybody? Three, three. Checking. Just. What is up, everybody? Everybody wants to rule the world. All right, so hi Charles, how are you? If you want to chat with me, just subscribe to the channel and you'll be able to just do it. Hey ABOB, how are you, mate? All right, so let's have a look at what we have here. Yesterday, what an amazing trading gold, right? I find hard to believe that everybody fucked that trade up, but some people do. And that was a crazy move on the Japanese yen. I'll talk about that later. Yeah. First of all, we are going. Good morning, Mark Shadow. Everybody must subscribe to the channel if you want to chat. If you want to ask me questions, just subscribe to the channel. That'll be all. All right, so possibly looking for shorts on the US dollar, to be completely honest with you. I'm waiting for this particular setup to develop. This is looking very good. This is looking phenomenal, actually. So this is the liquidity sweep that I just saw right here. So I am going to untag everything, untag. Bearish. I don't have a bias for the Japanese yen today because I'm not trading the Japanese yen after yesterday. Hi, from Verona in the fucking house. Well, ABOB, that is good that you're disciplined enough to, to respect your rules. If you don't trade gold this period, that's fine. Don't trade it. Come on. What I want to see here is quite simple. We have a clean double top here. So I'm looking for that market structure shift, right, to the upside. Now this is just, hey, I didn't know I could do that. Hold on. Look at this fucking thing. Yeah, I didn't know I could do that. That's amazing. Oh boy. Now I can calculate the moves without having to go here and tick on the thingy. All right, so what I'm looking at here is this clear bear trap, right? This is a bloody bear trap. Just have a look at that liquidity sweep above the Asian session highs on the US dollar. So I'm looking for that market structure shift. I'm going to place my entry right in the middle of this imbalance. So let's go ahead and let's grab a Fibonacci 2 because I do not want to get fucked on this trade. So this is where I'm going to place my entry after the market structure shift at the 0458. Hold on. 0458 shall be my entry with stop losses below the Asian session lows. I mean with the liquidity sweep low, right? This is a long. Yep. I mean, I could place my stop losses here, but I always use structure for my stop losses and targets. Target the Asian session high, a nice 2.6 R for first target. Second target, I'm going to take 80% off here. Actually, here on the previous structure high, because I don't know if price. I mean, if buyers are going to be strong enough, right? No one fucking knows that. Second target should be Actually, you know what? I'm going to take everything out at the Asian session highs. I'm a day trader, so fuck this. All right, so placing this trade right now. Euro USD. Very nice. Nice. So I'm going to go to the 1 minute chart. So I said this is where I want to enter. This is looking very, very, very bullish. I do want to get triggered. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go at the beginning of the imbalance. Yeah, I can't. I mean, in fact, it's, no, I'm going to do whatever the fuck I said at first. So I'm going to do 0458. 5. Yeah, 0458. 0458 shall be my entry. This is how much? How many pips? Hey, what happened here? All right, there you go. So that's around the 7 pip stop loss. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. So if I say one lot, so it's 2 lots. So it's that's a 3.5 lot for me, 3.6 lot for me. So yep. And stop losses, guys, are at 04. Call it 0449. Shite. This is a pending order. Come on, I do want to get triggered. 3.6. I don't care. So I said at the 0458, 1.0458, and the target at 0449. 1.0449. There you go. Boom. So I am kind of risking. I don't know how much. 0.32%. And I'm targeting the highs of the Asian session at the 0476. No, 04. I'm actually targeting 0478. So that gives me 1.0470. Oh boy, 0478. Boom. So that's what? 2R. Well, you know what? If it's a 2R, I'm gonna. You know what? This is going to be my first target, so I'll do 2. You know what? I'm going to stick with my. This is a 2.6R. There you go. Come on that pullback. Now I'm gonna send this to my VIPs. I'll send this to the free group 2. Euro USD. It's a buy limit. It's a 2R. Well, sometimes you don't get that 7R, right? So it's a what? 49. A 2.2R, so 0.50. Let me grab the correct parameters. Hopefully we get that pullback, guys. Hopefully we get that fucking pullback. That fucking pullback. All right. Hold on. Let me drink some coffee first. Oh boy, this is good. Instant coffee. I hope there's no Italians here because they will get offended by me saying that I find instant coffee to be good. More so coming from a coffee country, you know. I'm from El Salvador. But I drink fucking instant coffee, so fuck you. All right. So that's a 2.2R. Not the best risk to reward ratio that I've traded, but that's fine. Money is money, right? So I'm risking about 0.32% or 33% on this trade. I'm sending this to the free group too. Today. All right. It's not about the money, money. I'll be right there with you guys. I just need to send everything, to the groups. Just bear with me. So that's a big, 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 big. What is it? Hold on. Right. Cool. So that's a big, you know, um, I don't know what I was going to say. Hold on. Are you long on the Euro USD? What's the time in the US now? I'm not from the US. I'm from El Salvador, mate, and it's 1 a.m. USD CAT, good short opportunity, maybe. I don't know. Um, yeah, maybe. Oh boy. Oh boy, 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 boy. I like it better. But to be completely honest, what I don't dig is this fucking mess here. Well, it's the same thing as the. You know what? Now this, my friends, is where the money is at. I'm not trading the U.S. Um, what happened with yesterday with the Kiwi? We had the RBA, just a rate decision. Aussie, Aussie, oi, oi, oi. Aussie's training within the Asian session, so I'm not training. I'm not too keen on trading the Aussie, to be completely honest. So no pullbacksies, no pullbacksies. Now I'm going to enter short here. No, I mean I don't enter short, guys. I'm sorry about that comment. He's sending a US dollar, Canadian dollar too. Thank you, Stacy, for pointing this fucking thing out. I appreciate it. I fucking appreciate it. That's an amazing short. Yep. Good eye, mate. Good, 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 good eye. Market structure shift. No. Here's that market structure shift. Beautiful. With a ton of volume. Let's look for that OB. That OB. You know what? I'm still asleep. So I just woke up a couple of, 50 minutes ago for sure. Boomba. Cool beans. So there you go on the 2 minute chart. On this trade, I'm going to target these lows right here. So let me just pull up a something like this. We have an order block here, an untapped order block that I am very, very, very keen on targeting. It's a big ass one, but it's okay. Yeah, so it's a big, big order block that I think it's still untapped. Yeah, it's still untapped. So I'm gonna target about this level right here for my shorts. Hello, Orlando. How are you, man? Seems you got cold today. Wish you be healthy soon, man. Thank you. No, I don't have a cold. I just woke up a couple of minutes ago, mate. But thank you for the harm wishes. So I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna place this short two on the USD CAD, guys. Boom, boom, boom. USD CAD. So something like this. Let's grab them fibs. Let's grab them fibs. Now I'm gonna right here. 3719. 37. All right, so no gold trade for me today. I got stopped out of break even on the last 20% of my gold shorts. Longs from yesterday. Good. Yeah. So let's go to the 1 minute chart. I just want to pinpoint the correct entry mates. So here's that entry that I want on the 1 minute chart here. Here's where I want to enter short on the USD CAD. Stop losses above the structure high, of course. And I'm going to target that OB that I told you about right here. So this is a much better risk to reward ratio. We're talking about a 3.7 or so. But you know what? My girl, she's sick. in bed right now, so this might be the start of a cold, you know. I don't know. Shit. Where is the US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD CAD, USD Aussie, USD? Oh, I'm going to do some ASMR too with this voice, you know. All right, where are you? Can someone? Ah, there you go. USD CAD. Cool beans. So let's prepare for our shorts here. Oh boy, let's track it. On track to get in here. Operaciones, it's a sell limit. All right. And the stop loss should be at 37. I don't know. So this is my entry, and my stop loss is what? 3725. 1.3725. Right. And let's see. Actually, a little bit higher. 36. Yeah, 36 is fine. I'm gonna do a 10 lot here. Actually, I'm gonna do a 5 lotter. Yep. Alright, so oh, that's a little bit too much, a 5 lotter. I am going to do a 4 lotter. You know, I'm going to pay for my position size calculator today. I forget every fucking time. And you know what? Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna send this to my VIPs. Just hold on, guys. My entry here, my stop loss here. I'll send my targets later. I don't think I have the time. New VIP trade, USD CAD. It's a sell limit. Yep. And here's my entry. Oh shit. You know what? My stop loss should be here. TP and should be where? TP should be hold on. 3690. Let's call it 3690. 3690. Where are you? 1.3690. Cool beans. So here's that trade. Send to my VIPs. And this is a what? What did we say it was? 3.3R. And my risk is 0.28%. All right, there you go. Boom. So, what's up? We have any questions? Can I have a request? If you are on the more of this, if please give me some updates on the S&P 500. Sure, man, I can do that. Go for swing group still valid? Yes, I'm still on it. Here it is. Price is trading. Here it is. Price is trading right at my entry. Because of a negative swap in gold, I'm up more than I should be, but that's fine. Yeah, but it's still valid, mate. Very much valid. Cool. So I'm gonna record these 2 videos. Then we're going to talk about, you know, what happened yesterday with the Japanese yen. Um, yeah, it's very close to my target. So I'm gonna move my targets higher. Actually, I'm gonna move my targets here towards this order block at the 0.488%, making this 0.488, making this a 3.74R. All right. 0.4 what? 0.488. Just managing my trades, guys. I mean, this is what I do when I wake up and look at my charts. 0.488. I look for my setups, look for my market bias on the US dollar. I want to short the US dollar, look for shorts on the markets that I trade the US dollar on. And yeah, mm, that's I mean, you're looking at everything that I do on a daily basis. So ask away, ask any questions you want. I'm gonna be here. You know, I just woke up, starting up my day. Pretty happy to have you here, guys. So shoot. All right. So let me send this to the VIPs. Uh-huh. Hold on. Uh, Edit. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Uh-huh. All right, USD CAD. Right. Moving targets on the Euro USD to 10488. 10488. Right. I wish I could, send signals by just talking on my microphone, but that's not the case. I have to copy and yep, and not forgetting I have the free signal too. All right, so there we go. Now I'm all set with my entries. Ah, that's funny, man. Yeah, I noticed that, but I had already typed it. So the thing is that my my caps were locked. Uh-huh. My caps were locked, mate. And when I type, I don't look at the screen I'm typing. And I have the Telegram here, so I'm not looking at what I'm typing. I'm just typing because I'm looking at the prices, etc. So, and fuck it, it's fine. All right. I'm gonna do some Instagram content. Hold on. All right, that was an amazing trade yesterday, right, in gold. So some people say I'm sick. I'm not. I just woke up. It's 1 a.m. But I want to show you something. I just sent two signals, right, on the VIP group. This is the first one. Today we're looking for shorts in gold in the U.S. dollar. Not trading the Japanese yen today. After yesterday, I want to talk about what happened with the Japanese yen yesterday, later today. And here's the other one. Looking for shorts in the U.S. dollar again. Yeah, that's what we do on the VIP side. Yeah, you gotta promote. You gotta know how to sell yourself if you want to be something in this life. And that's a something that's yeah. I know. Untold. I know. I know. I enjoy comedy. Of course, I fucking do. All right. So hopefully we get triggered on this one. Yeah. I mean, the only thing, yeah, the only thing about my entry model is because I use limit orders, right? I don't use stop orders with this entry model. You know what? Talking about stupid stop orders, let's have a look at the magnificent F1 strategy. So yesterday's short on U.S. equities was spot on by the F1 strategy, my friends. Now, um, let's go through this. Yeah, not looking for sales anymore here. Oh boy. Yeah, not looking for sales anymore here. What I'm looking for, to be completely honest with you, is what we have here on the F1. Boom, shakalaka, laka, bum, bum. Nothing. Yeah, nothing, nothing. Um, Yep, nothing. Sometimes, I mean, some days are going to be flat for the F1 strategy. On the Aussie side, maybe, but the US dollar is going to be, I mean, the Aussie is just terrible, right? Oh boy, oh boy, we did have true divergence here with the yesterday's high on the Aussie side. Possibly shorts here on the Aussie USD. I'm not gonna take it because I'm already max on my risk today. But I'm going to do a clear, short video, for the F1 group. Maybe I'll take it with, a limited risk or so. But listen up, I'm gonna do a short video for my F1 traders, right? All right, so what's up, everybody? Good morning. Just looking at the F1 setups, and I don't see anything very, very juicy today, other than this Aussie US dollar. I'm gonna check. Hold on, I need to tag this. Shit, I need to tag this. So, other than this Aussie USD, right? Looking at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, this is a very weak market. Every single time we've had, that break that we always look for. I won't be using the names of the indicators and etc. here because everybody's watching me, but you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we do have true divergence in today's highs with yesterday's highs, right? Very, 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 very cool true divergence. Now, I didn't have a setup at the highs right here. I do dig also that we have true divergence within today, and I might take this continuation trade at the break of the structure and all the other stuff that we talk about towards our targets. I'm not sure yet, but I'll think about it and let you know. Uh-oh. So what's up, man? Uh-oh. Oh. All right, I'm gonna record the videos for my VIPs, and then I'm gonna let you go. What do you think the future for Japanese yen after big movement yesterday? Yeah, so yesterday's big move was insane, right? Let's talk about this before the videos, right? Right. So the Japanese yen. Now, the thing that you need to understand is that the Japanese yen, or the BOJ's, monetary policy is to depreciate the Japanese yen to a certain point, right? Why? Because, and listen up, because it's a little bit of a macro, lecture, and then that'll be $100. So the BOJ's, very loose monetary policy to keep the Japanese yen competitive is fucking up right now. Why? Why does the BOJ try to keep the Japanese yen low? Because of its trade balance. This Japanese economy, you know, a big part of the Japanese economy is its manufacturing sector, which is almost 22% of it, right? It's manufacturing export, its manufacturing sector. Almost all of it is for its exports. So a big part of the Japanese yen economy is its exports. That's why the trade balance in Japan is negative, because its exports are larger than its imports. So the policy of the Japanese yen, or the policy of the Bank of Japan's or the BOJ to keep the Japanese yen low is strictly to make Japanese yen exports more competitive overseas. But now, the Japanese economy has seen a decrease in exports because Japanese firms are sending the manufacturing overseas. So they're taking a big chunk out of the GDP on that part. Secondly, because of the strict rules of the of the BOJ of keeping interest rates near zero or below zero, it's minus 0.1%, right? Makes for a bigger and a bigger gap between the yields of, or between interest rates of Japan and its biggest, trade partners, which are hiking interest rates at a crazy pace. So this big gap between, let's call it the U.S. Japanese yen interest rate gap, widens. The market sees that as more reasons to sell the Japanese yen, which could become uncontrollable sell-off by the Bank of Japan. And looking at the US dollar Japanese yen chart right? Let's look at the weekly. This is why it's important, guys, to understand global macro, right? Yeah. The 150 level, my friends, is the threshold on which the Bank of Japan sees the Japanese yen at its lowest point, that it can become uncontrollable and it can become problematic for the Japanese yen economy. So talks of Bank of Japan intervention are not even speculative anymore, right? The probability of an intervention, as its macro looks right now, it's quite high. So that's why we had that sell-off, or that buying pressure on the Japanese yen, also because of technicals, um, on the U.S. dollar Japanese yen 150 level. So yeah, that's basically what happened yesterday. So you need to be careful and understand what market you're trading. We're trading currencies, right? I don't trade the Euro GBP, but sure, man. Why the fuck not? All right. Don't tell me you're not gonna get me triggered, because I will be pissed. I need to record these videos, but sure, mate. I'll look into it. Don't worry about it. Yep. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get sick. Actually, we could look for Japanese yen longs later today. This is a clean break. I'm gonna talk about this later, because I might get in some good longs. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. But did you understand? Uh, did you understand what happened with the Japanese yen? If not, you can ask me questions about it. It's all right. Orlando, yeah, I'm gonna do the S&P 500 too. Don't worry, mate. And the Euro GBP. And could you please tell me a little bit about the? Yeah, I don't know anything about that. I don't control that product at all, mate. But it's an amazing product. Most definitely, it's the winner. Like my signals. But if you want more info, just email support, mate. Um, what was I going to do? I don't remember. Oh yeah. All right, everybody. This is Orlando. Okay, cool, man. Yeah. I'm gonna talk about the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar. Looks like we're not going to get filled on this one either. I'm gonna look for an instance here. Hold on. I'm gonna re-record this. Um, no, I mean, the reason that I'm not all right, so I'm gonna record the videos later. Fuck it. The reason that I'm not looking to trade the Japanese yen today is just because my trade, my the way that I trade my entry model is based on market structure, and after a big volatile move like yesterday, I need to wait a couple of days for the market, to feel all the inefficiencies left on that big move, right? So there's inefficiencies, so to the upside and to the downside, of course. I don't know what the fuck is going to happen, so I need some clear market direction before I get involved again. But mate, if you understand what the hell you're doing, there's absolutely no need to be careful. Careful. Just damn it. So just just because I was trying to get a better risk to reward ratio, I didn't get triggered on this one, but that's okay. I don't think we're going to get that pullback on the US dollar, on the Euro USD. Let's see on the 1 minute chart. We never got that pullback. I mean, sometimes pullbacks are not going to happen, mate. And yeah, I'm still holding this entry. There's this big inefficiency here. I'm looking forward for the USD CAD more than the Euro USD. Oh man, I have a heartburn. I'm gonna get sick. Oh shit. I'm looking forward more on the on this one than the Euro USD. The Euro USD probably I'll just delete that pending order. I'm sorry, but this looks amazing, guys. Yeah. Let's have a look at this. I need to have a clear view on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and the way that I do it is off screen because I'm not gonna show you all of my fucking tricks. Oh yeah, I mean there's a ton of imbalances on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, still above the I mean, we might not get it because of how weak the U.S. dollar is, but yeah, I mean, I could see a pullback. Just have a look at how big these imbalances are here on the U.S. dollar on the 10-minute chart. So, yeah. Oh, I can. I have a ton of stuff to do, mate. And plus, I'm fine. I've been working these hours for years. I have a very tight schedule. All right, so I'm gonna record. I'm quickly going to record this video. Yep. All right. I'm going to scroll through Instagram. If you don't have any questions, no, I'm just fucking with you. I'm just looking at something on my phone.
I have a confession to make. The US dollar is doomed. We are going to print until it is worthless. We all know that. Buy Bitcoin, buy silver, buy gold, buy real estate. We are just going to ride this pony until the party is over.
That's Jay Powell. All right. Let's have a look at this because I might have fucked up here. Hold on, guys. I might have fucked up. No, my entry is right there. Right there. Yep. Sometimes I'm going to miss my entry. Sometimes I'm not. But it's perfect. It's a perfect 1 minute entry on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, so let me record this video because this is the best one. This is the best, by far the best setup for today. All right, guys, what is up? Orlando here. So today we're looking for US dollar shorts, as you can see on the right side of my screen. We have tagged the DXY red. No, I'm not trading the Japanese yen today due to yesterday's high volatile move, and the main reason is because I need direction, right? But let's focus on the US dollar and the US dollar only. So, shite. Okay, so basically what I'm looking at is US dollar shorts. And as you notice here on the top left of my screen, here we have that little fakie about the Asian session highs. That's the liquidity grab that I was waiting for. So I came back towards looking at the markets that I trade the US dollar on, and the US dollar Canadian dollar, which I hadn't looked at, was given to me by one of my viewers on the stream. Thank you, by the way. Shout out to Untold, or who it was, I don't know, but shout out to them. yeah, this is amazing setup. Liquidity grab right here. Then here's that market structure shift, guys, that I was looking for. And yeah, I'm targeting for an entry this inefficiency in the market right here. So I know that we already had another break of the structure right here, but that, my friends, is just more incriminating evidence that we are going nowhere. So if I don't get triggered, I don't get triggered. That's fine. But this is a perfect fucking setup for today. All right, so I'm gonna send this to my VIP. Let's have a look at that Aussie USD. Yeah, didn't work out. Didn't work out. But this is the cool thing about the F1 strategy. The F1 strategy uses stop orders, right? Because we pinpoint the exact entries. But that keeps us from getting fucked when the market reverses on us. This is a very different trading strategy, guys, than the one that you are looking at on your screens. It's very cool. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you a couple of trades that I've taken this week. So US dollar. And the Euro USD. Same thing on the Euro USD. All right, guys, how are you? Let's talk about this Euro USD, long that I am hunting. I'm still hunting this. Haven't deleted anything at all, mates. This is, of course, a US dollar short trade. If you notice, the DXY is clearly bearish today. If we were waiting for the open. We always wait for the open to get clear direction in the market. We got that liquidity strip about the Asian session highs, and just have a look at that big ass inefficiency left behind. Now that we have broken with the Asian session lows, the short term bearish sentiment is on, mates. It is on. It's on. So after this break of the structure low, we are looking for a retrace back for price to trade to price itself efficiently before the move or the continuation lower. That's my entry model, guys. That's my entry model. So fear not about price, about missing a trade. Yes, sometimes I'm not going to get triggered on my trades, but that's utterly fine, completely fine, right? We also have another great trade for the VIPs hunting shorts on the US dollar, but I can't show you that. Now, because of that triple the lows or liquidity grab here this is a bear trap, below the Asian session lows on the Euro USD. I was waiting for the market structure shift. We got that market structure shift here, and I am looking to get in at this big inefficiency left by the order block of buyers that started to push price up here. Pretty simple in terms of my entry model. If you want to more know about this, you should most definitely join the VIP group. Right. Shite. So I'm gonna do the Euro GBP and the S&P 500. Sure thing, mates. I need to record a good video about yesterday's gold trade because we used the the good news to get triggered on that sniper entry. That's something that people tend to not learn. Trading the news is not about figuring out which way the market is going to move when the news hit the wires. Trading the news is about using the news to get triggered on your trades, and that's what we did yesterday. You know what? I'm gonna do that video because it sounds fun. I'm also doing All right, so we almost done with this. What about gold? What about gold? I don't fucking know. I'm long gold, mate. I'm long. I'm long gold. I'm long. Yeah. Hey, they have a free channel for the. Somebody was asking about the crypto. I'll go. Oh, here's a free Telegram channel. There you go. If you want to learn about. Yeah, you know. Shit. Hold on. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm gonna end up with the S&P 500. So, very bearish indeed. Very bearish. Yeah. So that's it. Very bearish. No. What do you want to know? The short term, the short term, the long term. I haven't traded, or swing traded the S&P 500 in a while. I should be looking at that, my friends. My friends are so depressed. I feel the question of your loneliness. What is that? Whoever can tell me what band I'm singing, I'll give you a free something. So the S&P 500 is fucked. I mean, let's have a look. This is a big level. This is a big level that the S&P 500 broke with, right? So let's start by looking at this. The next big level should be here. I'm not telling you that you should be selling here. I'm most definitely going to. S&P printed a reversal pattern. Where? Today? Hey, how are you, Ron? Oh, yeah. I agree with you. Uh-uh. I agree with you, which I missed. But you know what? I might possibly get enter. I agree with you, Ron. I agree with you. I fucking agree with you. Something like this should be good. Oof. All the way here to yesterday's New York highs, an 8R. I don't have a trade for gold, man. You should look one for yourself. Oh boy. My battery's dying. Battery's fucking dying. All right, so this what you're looking for, R1? I agree with you, man. This looks phenomenal, indeed. Blam, 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 blam. Yeah, we might get in on that too. Thank you. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it. So, yeah, the S&P 500 we might get, you know, I'm sorry. No, you know what? I'm going to finish my show off. Yeah, I think I'm done. On my live show for today, at least. I don't think, sadly, we are going to miss our entries short on the US dollar. Did not have that reversal. I'll probably delete my Euro USD as it's very close to my targets. Remember that targets are as important as your entries. Sometimes we're not going to get that pullback that we need. On the US dollar Canadian dollar side, I'm not going to delete this just yet, guys, because even if it comes close to my targets, if it comes close to my target, I'll just move my targets lower to here, to this level, and just ride it the fuck out because I really, really dig that entry. So if you're a VIP, the Euro USD might get deleted. If you're not a VIP, you're not going to get my US dollar Canadian dollar. That's it. So again, thank you for joining me. Be careful with the Japanese yen. Um, and here's the thing about very volatile moves, right? And I mean, the next couple of them, when I say very volatile moves, I'm talking about volatile moves like yesterday on the Japanese yen that they fat fingered the fuck out of that market, right? So there's a ton of inefficiencies left behind that the market needs to feel because the market needs to price itself efficiently, right? That's that's why it's going to be very hard to get a directional bias for today's session, maybe tomorrow's session. We don't know. So be careful out there. Yeah, god damn it. You know what? Whenever you have a fucking trade like that, just send it to me before you take it so I can take it too, please, mate. Can you do me that fucking favor? I would appreciate it. Jesus, Ron had a 30R winner on the GU. Amazing trade. Yeah, amazing fucking setup. Good, good. Congratulations. Hard work paying off, mate. That's what I love to see. All right, enjoy your day too, mate. I'll see you guys. Maybe, yeah, I'll be live for the New York Open. Cheers.